First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Canva Creator and press Enter. From the results, click on the official Canva website, canva.com, and once the page opens, click on Log in the top right corner. Log in using your Google account or email, and if you don't have an account, sign up first. After logging in, you'll see the Canva home dashboard. Now, go back to Google again and search for Canva Creator Program, then open the official page that says Canva Creators. Scroll down and read what the Canva Creator Program is, how creators design templates like Instagram posts, presentations, and workbooks, and how Canva pays royalties when people use those designs. Before clicking Apply, go back to your Canva dashboard, click Create a Design, choose one niche such as Instagram posts or presentations, and start creating templates. Make sure you create at least 10 to 20 clean, simple, and fully editable templates using only Canva fonts and elements, avoiding logos. For the Canva Creator Program and click on Apply. On the next page, Canva will ask who you are. Options like designer, teacher, or business will appear. Here, select designer. After that, Canva will ask what you love to create, such as social media design, spreadsheets, presentations, and more. Select the categories you are good at. On the next page, it will ask about your experience level. It's like entry level, mid-level, senior level, or expert level. Choose your level, honestly, according to your skills. Then Canva will ask about your creative skills, such as design trends, UI design, UX design, graphic design, design systems, and more. Select the skills that match your expertise. In the next step, fill in your personal details correctly. After that, Canva will ask you to share links to your own templates or designs. For this, upload all your best work into a folder on Google Drive, copy the folder link, and paste it into the app. Application form. Finally, fill in any additional information if required, review everything once, and submit your application. If you get approved, you can start uploading templates and earning royalties, and if you get rejected, improve your designs and apply again because rejection is common and part of the process. That's it. This is the exact step-by-step process to become a Canva creator. If you want template ideas, portfolio structure, approval tips, subscribe and comment Canva below.